Anxiety in the classroom.
Recently, I had a student that their heart was just beating really rapidly. And that's the first, I haven't seen that very often.
Beating at a rate Daniel Alvarez had never seen before.
I've been in 2 different districts, and I've noticed an increase in the last district and this district as well. The kids here, and it can be situations that I've never seen.
Daniel is a school counselor who's worked with students of all ages for more than 2 decades.
Each student actually created a link, and we put it together to actually show that we're united.
He says now more than ever, students need the option of taking a mental health day from school without being counted absent.
We just went through a pandemic, and a lot of some of their family structures are different. We had maybe family members who might have moved away. You might have other people that, sadly might have died. We might have, people going away, so you don't feel as safe as you did before. So you might have like depression type symptoms or anxiety type symptoms.
A dozen states across the country have passed legislation allowing students to take a day off from school for mental or behavioral health reasons under the same criteria as a sick or bereavement day.
I love the fact that it's called Mental Health Day now because it continues to destigmatize mental health support.
Vince Walsh-Rock is executive director of the Illinois School Counselor Association. Lawmakers in Illinois recently passed legislation allowing K through 12th grade students in public schools to take 5 excused days off each year for mental health reasons. Vince Walsh says it's the right thing to do.
What else can we do to build those linkages between schools, community agencies, mental health providers, so that students see the school as a supportive environment, even though in some places they're very fearful of the school environment.
According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, 1 in 6 children aged 6 to 17 experience a mental health disorder each year. And in a recent CDC study, 22% of all high school students reported that they had seriously considered attempting suicide.
So sometimes teachers might come in and say, well, they're doing this. And I'll kind of show them the different stress responses using the back part of your brain, which is fight, flight, or freeze. And this is some of the behaviors.
Daniel says the risks are just too great. Students, like adults, need to be able to take breaks, which can help them in the long run.
So if a kid can come and have that mental health day to recharge, they can go back and do it better academically, better socially, because they're able to reset themselves.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel, and for more refreshing stories about your community, click the subscribe button right over here. You can also download our Spectrum News app to get live news coverage, weather alerts, and more wherever you are. And don't forget to tune in to Channel 55 on Dish and DirecTV for live local reporting every single day. We'll see you then.